Here we have a 2025 Mustang GT with the 5.0. It's currently all stock. We're gonna do a little before and after video here. We're gonna leave the rear mufflers intact. Customer just wants to wake it up a little bit. Pretty common to do a mid muffler delete, but do it with a H pipe. We're gonna leave it all stock. Just pretty much change it out with the X pipe, or excuse me, H pipe, and that's another option. You can put an X pipe in it, but the H pipe's a little more popular. It does give it a little throatier sound with the H pipe. Let's see what it sounds like first. Alright, well, most of you know what it sounds like stock, and then we'll let you hear it after we're done. Alright, so still looks the same back here, but we did put the H pipe in there, as we said. Took the dual in, dual out muffler in the middle there and put a nice custom H pipe in there. It's all stock up there, just customer, like I said, wants to wake it up a little bit. Let's see what the difference is. See what it sounds like. Well, yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. Woke it up. Sounds pretty good back here.